Dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem with your Wi-Fi. So if Wi-Fi on your iPhone disconnects automatically, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. And another thing you can try, just tap on your Wi-Fi network and just choose forget this network and just connect it again. And if you still have the server, so you can also just go back to the settings, just scroll down, just tap on general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. And also you can try to update your iPhone, so just tap on software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.